Welcome to Jazar YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a simple mechanical component in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Draw a single line with 22.5 units long. Using C command, draw a circle on right point. Radius of the circle is 13. Make an offset of the circle 5 units. Make another offset 5.5 units. Draw 2 circles again with radius 2.5 and 5 units. Trim the extra parts of the circle with TR command. Draw 2 circles again with first circle radius is 1.7 and second radius is 3.5. Use rotate command and select these both circles. Type C for copy and enter 90 degree for rotation. Use mirror tool and mirror these both circles. Now use again mirror command and mirror all these objects except horizontal line. Draw a single line and make copies and paste as I do. Join all object and erase the extra line. Go to isometric view, extrude the base model 4.5. Extrude inner both objects 11.5. Move the object upwards and subtract it from the main model. Select all circles and extrude it. After that, move a little upwards and subtract it. Apply same commands on inner 2 circles. Extrude the remaining circles. Go front view and select front view in coordinates tab, and mirror these circles and subtract it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.